Hello friends, I'm Nageswar and your most special welcome to NM classes. Today in this video, we learn some important GK question related about coronavirus COVID-19. So let's start the video. Question number 1. What the name given to the diseases caused by coronavirus spread in Wuhan city? A. COVID-19. 2. What the name given by scientists of to coronavirus before Wuhan city? B. SARS-CoV-2. Third, who has declared COVID-19 an epidemic? A. WHO, World Health Organization. 4. In which Indian state has full curfew been imposed due to coronavirus in the first time? The correct answer is option number A. Punjab. 5. On which day is the public curfew Janta curfew imposed due to coronavirus? A. A. 22 March 2020. 6. When Indian government announced coronavirus lockdown phase 1? The correct answer is option number D. 25 March 2020 to 14 April 2020. 7. How many days remained coronavirus lockdown phase 1? The correct answer is option number C. 21. Question number 8. How many days remained coronavirus lockdown phase 2? The correct answer is option number A. 19. Question number 9. How many days remained coronavirus lockdown phase 3? The correct answer is option number C. 14. 10. How many days remain total coronavirus lockdown phase 1, phase 2, phase 3? The correct answer is option number C. 54 days. Question number 11. Which state became the first state to lock down due to coronavirus? The correct answer is option number A. Rajasthan. 12. COVID-19 affects which part of the human body? The correct answer is option number B. Lungs. 13. What the name of the test of coronavirus COVID-19? The correct answer is option number B. RT-PCR. 14. Coronavirus has started from Wuhan in China. It is located in which province of China? The correct answer is option number A. Hubei. Question number 15. What the full form of COVID-19? Most important GK question. Answer: CO for corona, VI for virus, D for disease, and 19 for 2019. Coronavirus disease and for 2019. What does VI in the word COVID-19 mean? B. Virus. Question number 17. Which state became the first state to declare coronavirus as an epidemic? Option number C. Haryana. Question number 18. How much aid has India announced in SARS COVID-19 emergency fund? The correct answer is option number A. $10 million. 19. Indian government launched which app for COVID-19 tracker app? The correct answer is option number C. Arogya Setu. Question number 20. Social app Instagram has launched which feature to make its user aware of coronavirus? The correct answer is option number C. Instagram feed. 21. What feature has WhatsApp launched in India to make you aware of coronavirus? C. WhatsApp chatbot. Question number 22. What feature Facebook has launched in India to make aware of coronavirus? A. Coronavirus Information Center. 23. What new website has Google launched to make you aware of coronavirus? The correct answer is option number A. Google.com COVID-19. 24. What does the structure of the coronavirus look like when viewed with a microscope? A. Crown. 25. From where coronavirus got its name? A. Due to their crown-like projection. 26. Coronavirus is related to which diseases? Option number C. Both A and B. Sark and MERS. Question number 27. When coronavirus first identified? The correct answer is option number A. 1960. 28. What are the main symptoms of coronavirus? The correct answer is option number D. All of them. Fever, cough, difficulty in breathing. 29. Which virus is responsible for COVID-19? The correct answer is option number C. SARS-CoV-2. 30. What was the new name of coronavirus temporarily 2019 and CoV? 31. In which language is the name coronavirus originated? The correct answer is option number B. Latin. 32. What are the precautions that need to be taken to protect from the coronavirus? A. Cover your nose and mouth when sneezing. 33. On 11 February 2020, WHO announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What the new name of the disease? The correct answer is option number A. COVID-19. 34. What is coronavirus? Both A and B are correct. It is large family of viruses. It belongs to the family or nidovirus. In which age group the COVID-19 is spread? The correct answer is option number D. All of the above are correct. 36. How does coronavirus transmit? The correct answer is option number D. All of the above are correct. 37. A disease that can be transmitted to human from animals is C. Zoonotic. 38. How long does the virus survive? Answer. It is not confirmed how long the virus stays, but studies suggest that it may persist on surface for a few hours to many days. Question number 39. Which medicine has India exported to America? Hydroxychloroquine. Question number 40. Name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patient to a coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. Answer E. Plasma therapy. 41. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in C. Wuhan, Hubei. 42. What are the symptoms of the virus? Answer. Sneezing, running nose, cough, and in some rare cases, fever, sore throat, asthma, etc. Is here any proper treatment to combat this coronavirus? The correct answer is unfortunately there is no treatment now. 44. What should be the proper precaution for the suffering person? Answer. Drinking water and rest. 45. Name the first country mostly affected by coronavirus. Answer. China. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.